Hi everyone, welcome to part 6 of the Revit family tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to make use of the swept blend command. Alright, so I'm going to go straight here to the families and start a new family. I'm going to make use of the metric generic model template as usual. Click on it and click open. Okay, so it just loaded now. So in the past tutorial, we've looked at how to make use of the extrusion, blend, revolve, and sweep command. And today our main focus will be the swept blend command. And I mentioned in the previous tutorial that these are the forms necessary for you to create your various components or Revit family. So if you don't know how to make use of the ones I've mentioned before, that is extrusion, blend, revolve, and sweep, I will advise you to go and watch the previous video under this tutorial series. Meanwhile, let's continue with the swept blend command. I'm going to click on it at the moment. Alright, so if you check there are basically three inputs needed to create a swept blend command. Right, you need one, the path; two, you need the profile, uh, a profile at one end and the profile at the other end. The only difference between swept blend and a sweep is that the the size or the geometry at both ends could be different. All right, that is for the swept blend. So let's go ahead and click on sketch part here. So I'm going to pick the spline tool here and create a part. Okay, this is the part I've created. Hit escape, and I'm going to click on the green button once I'm done creating the part. So I'll go down here now. I'm going to click on profile 1 to provide a sketch for profile 1. So once I click on profile 1, I'll go here and click edit profile. I'll open the front view. So I'm going to sketch a polygon, right? So I'm going to sketch a polygon. I'll leave it at 200, all right? From That is the height of from the center to one of the face. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on the green button here. So I'll click on profile 2 and sketch a profile 2. So I'll go here and draw. So I'm going to draw a cycle at this end here. All right. So this time around with 280, then check. All right. So this is we've been able to create a swept blend. So let's look at the 3D and see what we've created so far. So this is what we've created so far. At one end we have a cycle and the other end is a hexagon. So I'll go ahead and show you a second way of creating this swept blend command. But this time around we have to um, load in two separate profiles. So I'm going to delete this. So go to file and start a new family. But this time I'm going to pick the metric profile template. So I'm going to draw a cycle. So I'll click on the line command and then pick a cycle. I'm going to draw a cycle of let's say 200. That's cool. So this is my profile 1. So I'll go ahead and save it. Control S from the keyboard. So I'm going to call it profile profile 1. I'm going to change the number of maximum backup to 1. And that's okay. I'll save it. Then I'll close it. Now go again and create another family. profile. All right, so I'm going to make use of the metric profile template. Okay, and hit open here. So I'm going to create, I'll click on the line button here and create a polygon. All right, so I'm going to allow this polygon to be, let's say 2, it is fine. And then I'm going to save it, Control X. So I'm going to save it as profile 2. Change the number of maximum backup to 1. Okay, and save it, then close. So I'll go back to reference level of the Revit family I'm about to create, just to demonstrate the swept blend command. So I'll click on the swept blend command. So I'm going to sketch a path, then click on the spline tool. So this is cool. So this is my profile. Hit the green button. Okay, I'll click on the select profile 1, and I'm going to load profile 1. Alright, so you can navigate to where you've saved it and click on it. So I'll go down here and pick profile 1. Alright, so I'll go to profile 2, load the family. I'll pick profile 2, click open. Alright, so I'm going to select profile 2 here, and we're good. Alright, so we've been able to recreate the same swept blend from, let me look at it. Let's look at trading from a circular end to a polygon end. All right, so this is basically how to make use of the swept blend command. All right, so this is actually useful when you are creating a Revit family or component Revit. So our tutorial for today ends here. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out in subsequent tutorials. Alright, so in the next tutorial we are going to be looking at how to make use of the void forms. Alright, so I'll see you in the next.